session 1. Let's start. So we know that in the arithmetic progression, the series which is formed here is see 1, 2, 3 and 4 and dot dot dot. So from 1 to 2 the difference is 1. The difference is 1. From 2 to 3 difference is 1. 3 to 4 difference is 1. If the difference is equal, then we can say the given series is in an AP, right? Now see over here, it is 100, then 70, then 40 and on and on and on. So here the difference is minus 30 and so on and on and on. So if the difference here is equal, if the differences are equal, then we can say the given series is an AP. So first is AP, yes. Second is an AP, yes. The third one, yes. The fourth one, 3, 3, 3, 3. The difference is 0, the difference is 0, the difference is 0. If the difference is 0, then we can say the given series is an AP, right? And each number of the list is divided as a term. So this is called the first term, the second term, the third term and the fourth term. This is the first term, second term, third term and the fourth term. First term, second term, third term, fourth term. And if it is given the last term, right, say here it is given the 50. So the 50 for this series, right? So if it is 50, it is denoted as an AN, the last term, or you can say denoted by the L. Okay. So here it is in arithmetic progression is the list of the number in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term, right? The fixed number is called the common difference, and remember that it can be positive or it can be negative or a 0, right? So here it is. Let us denote the first term of an AP by A1, second term is A2. So A1, A2, A3 and so on and on and on. So the difference is going to be the A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, AN minus 1 is called the common difference. And this common difference is equal throughout the series. Right. So if it is general term, it is defined by A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and A plus 4D. Right. Now the finite AP. Finite AP means which has the last term. Which has the last term. And infinite AP means what? Which doesn't have the last term. It just goes on and on and on. Like this. Or you can say if I write down 1, 3, 5, 7, on and on and on. See here I am not mentioning the last term, so it is called the infinite series. Right? Here it is mentioned the last term, that's why it is called the finite series. So that's it for the theory part. Let's move. See some examples. Right? We have to form the AP if A and D are given. If A is 10 and the difference is 10, so we know that we have the A plus D, A plus 2D, right? So instead of A 10, A plus D means 10 plus 10, 20. Now A plus 2D, 10 plus 20, because 2 tens are 20, is going to be the 30. So this is going to be the AP, right? Say this. Similarly over here, it is minus 2 and D is 0. If D is 0, it is nothing but the minus 2 goes on and on and on. Now, the second term, third term and the fourth term, right, which is denoted by in this way. Okay. Now, so according to this, we can say that the nth term of an given AP is going to be the A plus n minus 1 into D. So AN represents the last term. AN represents the last term or the given term. First I say if I have to find out the 18th term, then we can say we have to find out the A18. And A18 is going to be the A plus 17D. Oh, that's you know. Okay. So here I have to find out the A1, A3, A4. So this three things I have to find. A2 is given. So A2 is equals to 38. A2 is going to be the A plus D. क्या करना है कि भाई यहाँ से एक माइनस करके यहाँ पे लगा देना है. तो A plus 1D is equals to 38. That is our equation number 1. And this is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth term. तो sixth term means what? A6. अब 6 में से 1 जाएगा तो क्या बचेगा? 5. उसके साथ क्या लगा दो? D plus A. So A plus 5D is going to be the minus 22. अब इन दोनों इक्वेशन को क्या करना है? सॉल्व करना है. Right, see here. It is A2 is going to be the A plus D. and A6 is going to be the A plus 5D. So this is going to be the equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now we have to solve it. So we have to subtract in the A and A. So both have the equals and we are going to subtract equation number 1 from equation number 2. So 38 minus 22, इस साइड को इस साइड रखो और इस साइड को इस साइड रखो. A plus D minus A plus 5D. So D is going to be the minus 15, right? So we know the D now. Now put this value of D in equation number 1 or equation number 2. So here we put in equation number 1 and we will find out the A is 53, right? A मिल गया हमको कितना भाई 53. D मिल गया हमको कितना भाई minus 15, राइट? अब क्या करना है, सेकंड में तो मेरे पास ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल ही है. अब हम क्या करेंगे भाई A3. A3 का क्या होगा A2 plus D, or you can say A plus 2D. It is not the 2 exactly, it is the A plus 2D. So what is the value of A? A is going to be the 53 plus 2 into minus 15. So it is 53 minus 30 and whatever the answer is 23. Similarly for the A4, A plus 3D. Sorry. A4, A plus 3D. Now you put the value and will get the answer. Similarly for the A5 and you will end up with the answer. Simple. Now which term, right? Which term of an AP is 78? So we don't know which term. So we will consider it as a last term and AN is going to be the 78. Now what is the formula of AN? So it is going to be the A plus N minus 1D is equals to 78, right? So here we'll put the values, right? We know the A is going to be the 3, A is going to be the 3 and D is going to be the 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is going to be the 5. So we will put the values over here. AN is 78, A 3 and D 5. Then what we have to do? This 3 goes on to the another side, it becomes minus 75, right? Now 5 comes on to this side, it becomes minus. So minus becomes plus, it is going to be the 80. 80 by 5 is going to be the 16. Okay. So the 16th term of an AP is going to be the 78. Now check whether the minus 150. अब हमको चेक करना है कि माइनस 150 इसका टर्म है या नहीं. तो इसको सिंपल जैसे आगे के सम किया वैसे इसको ए एन कंसिडर कर लो. क्या कंसिडर कर लो? ए एन. सो ए एन इज गोइंग टू बी द माइनस 150. अगर एन की वैल्यू पॉजिटिव इंटीजर आ रहा है, क्या आ रहा है? सॉरी, एन का वैल्यू क्या आ रहा है भाई? ये भाई पॉजिटिव इंटीजर आ रहा है. क्या आ रहा है? पॉजिटिव इंटीजर. अगर पॉजिटिव इंटीजर आ रहा है तो है, अदरवाइज नहीं है, राइट? पॉजिटिव इंटीजर आना चाहिए. इंटीजर का मतलब क्या? तो 1 2 3 4 5 ऐसे कोई नंबर आएंगे तो है, लेकिन 1.5 माइनस 1.5 6/3 माइनस 6/3 ऐसे कोई अगर नंबर्स आए तो हमको बोल देना है कि भाई माइनस 150 इज नॉट द टर्म ऑफ द एपी, राइट? तो राइट आफ्टर यू सॉल्विंग दिस यू विल एंड अप विद दी this 164/3. 164/3, it is not an integer, so n must be an integer to be the term of an AP, right? N must be the integer to be the term of an AP. So we can say minus 150 is not the term of an given AP. Clear? Now let's move. Find out the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38. Now we know that 11th term means what? It is nothing but the A11 is going to be the 38. A11 means what? A plus 10D is equals to 38. And similarly 16th term का मतलब 16 में से एक minus 15. तो A plus 15D is going to be the 73. Simple. Right. So here what we can do here is, see, now solving this minus and minus, this is going to be the outed. So minus 5D is equals to, simple, right? So see here D is going to be the 7. Now we'll put the value of D in 31st. A we have to find right now. So put it into the equation number 2 or into the equation number 1. So we will end up with the A minus 32. Now we know that A31 is going to be the A plus 30D. A plus 30D. See here. Right? We'll put the values and we'll end up with the 78, 178. Okay. Now, an AP consists of 50 terms. AP consists of how many terms? 50 terms. That means n is equals to 50. Third term is 12. That means A plus 2D is equals to 12. Last term is कौन सा? 50 वाला term. तो 50 वाला term क्या लिखेंगे हम? A49D is equals to 29 is equals to 106. See this, right? A plus 49D is equals to 106 and this is 12 is equals to A plus 2D. अब इन दोनों को solve करना है तो we will end up with the D. Now put the value of D in equation number 2 or in equation number 1. So we'll end up with the 8 is A. अब क्या करना है 29th term find करना है तो 829 is equals to A plus 28D. So 8 plus 28 2s are 8 plus 56 is going to be the 64. So ऐसे ही sums करने हैं, simple से sums हैं, right? See here, what we are given here is the third term and the ninth term. So third term is going to be the 4 and the ninth term is going to be the 8. So third term के लिए क्या लिखेंगे भाई A plus 2D is equals to 4. Ninth term के लिए क्या लिखेंगे A plus 8D is equals to minus 8. इन दोनों को सॉल्व करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा D. अब D की वैल्यू तो 2 में रखो या तो 1 में रखो, तो you will end up with the A. अब A की वैल्यू हमको कौन सा टर्म 0 होगा ये पूछा है. कौन सा टर्म 0 का मतलब an is equals to 0, तो हमको n फाइंड करना है, राइट. A की वैल्यू अवेलेबल है, D की वैल्यू अवेलेबल है, तो यहाँ से n मिल जाएगा, राइट. सो n is going to be the 5. So the fifth term of n given AP is going to be the 0, राइट. यहाँ पर ये ध्यान रखना है कि भाई यहाँ पे पूछा क्या है, which term of an AP is 0, which term of an AP is 0. That simply means an is equals to 0 because we don't know the n, right. So that is why here it asks that which term it simply means, which term simply means a n. Now the 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Now 17th term देखो 9th थर्ड चैप्टर में सीखे थे वैसे ही. Now 17th term का मतलब क्या होता है कि भाई A 17th of an AP exceeds मतलब plus by 7 means plus 7 from which term 10th term, that means A 10th. और बीच में क्या आ जाएगा is equals to, अब यहाँ पर वैल्यू रखो, राइट. आपको मिल जाएगा D 1 डायरेक्टली. इसकी वैल्यू क्या होगी तो भाई A plus 16D. इसकी वैल्यू क्या होगी तो भाई A plus 9D. A सामने सामने से कट. 16 minus 9, what is the answer? 16 minus 9 is going to be 7D. 7D is equal to 7 and D is going to be the 1. Simple, the common difference is going to be the 1. Important sum है, 1-2 marks में आ सकता है, so just keep in your mind. Now which term of an AP will be the 132 more than the 52 terms? Well, now which term, that means simply an AN is will be मतलब is equals to 132 more means plus 132. वापस एक बार, which term means AN will be means is equals to 132 more, that means plus 132. Its 54th term means what? A 54. सिंपल. अब यहाँ पर वैल्यूज रख दो आप, सी दिस, यहाँ पर आप वैल्यूज रखो, फॉर्मूला रखो and then simplify करो and you will end up with the n is equals to 65, right. How many digits are divisible by 7? How many 3 digits number are divisible by 7? Now 3 digit number, what does it mean? Now it starts with the 100, so divide it with the 7, right. You will end up with the remainder as a 2, right. If you can solve it, you will end up with the remainder as a 2. If 2 is the remainder, we have to subtract it from the 100. So 100 minus 2 is going to be the 98, but 98 is not a 3-digit number. So 98 is divisible by 3, but it is not a 3-digit number. Simply add 7 to it, is going to be the 105. So it starts with the 105, 112 and 119. Now what is the biggest digit? 3-digit number is 999. You can divide it with the 7 and you will end up with the remainder as a 5. Now simple, subtract it from the 999. So it is going to be the 994. Okay. So now this is going to be the an and we have to find out the value of n. Simple. Now an के formula में रख दो सब कुछ. A की value available है, D की value available है. Now what we have to find out is n. So we can find it out. ये जाएगा माइनस हो जाएगा 999, 889, 7 ऊपर चला गया नीचे. So n minus 1, minus 1 इस साइड आएगा तो plus 1. Answer is 128. Right. Similar this sum. यहाँ पे क्या पूछा है कि 10 to 250 के बीच में. यहाँ पे तो नंबर छोटे हैं तो you can directly know that it is a multiple of 4. अगर multiple of 4 पूछा है, divisible by 4 पूछा है, the thing is same. So it is nothing but the 10 divided by 4, the remainder is 2, so start with the 8, but 8 is not lies in between the 10 and 50. So what we can do here is, in the 8 we have to add the 4, it is going to be the 12 12 के बाद आएगा 16, उसके बाद डॉट 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 250 डिवाइडेड बाई 4, क्या करेंगे कि भाई 250 divided by 4, so remainder is becomes 2, so 250 minus 2 is going to be the 48, simple. अब तो क्या करें, जैसे आगे किया था सब में वैसे ही सब में भी करना है, right? Put the values over here and you will end up with the n is equals to 60. Okay, and okay, which for what value of n the terms of an APs are equal. So that means an, अगर इसको हम कैपिटल कंसीडर करें और इसको हम स्मॉल कंसीडर करें तो an इज इक्वल्स टू an होना चाहिए, राइट? अब उसमें क्या करना है, n का तो पता ही है भाई, कैपिटल n कैपिटल डी, लेकिन n कैसा रहेगा, स्मॉल, बिकॉज n की वैल्यू सेम आनी चाहिए, इसलिए n दोनों में एक तरीका रहेगा, स्मॉल तो स्मॉल. यहाँ पर a कितना है तो भाई 63, d कितना है तो 2, सिमिलर इसमें a कितना है तो 3 एंड d कितना है तो 7. अब इसकी वैल्यू यहाँ पे रखो, इसकी वैल्यू यहाँ पे रखो, राइट? एंड n को ऐसे ही रहने दो. अब n वाले टर्म्स को एक साइड कर दो तो 2n इस साइड आएगा तो माइनस, राइट? तो 5n हो गया, बाकी के सारे टर्म्स को इस साइड ट्रांसफर कर दो. सो इफ यू विल सॉल्व दिस यू विल एंड अप विद द 5n इज इक्वल 65, हेंस n इज इक्वल्स टू 13, n is equals to 13. So 13th term of both the APs are equal. So that's it for today. We'll meet in the next lecture. Till then, practice very hard, because at once you can see that no, I know everything, I know the sums very easily, but when you sit into the examination, so this confusions will be created. Why? Because at this time you have to just refer the one chapter. At the time of exam you have the 15 chapters, right? So I suggest you that do maximum practice, right? That is the only key to get more marks in the mathematics and getting success in mathematics. So I hope you guys doing the maximum practice. So we'll meet into the next lecture. Till then, bye bye and thanks very much.